And you can call, and within 24 hours, like, so coughs, colds, poison ivy, cold sore, medication refills, questions on testing you had, any of those things, it's a call, and we get an answer. We can send you a school or work note. We can send you whatever you need.
That's awesome.
And send your prescription. And I'm licensed now. I've got 42 states. I'm working to get all. I chat GPT this. There's
Good old chat.
14 doctors who have all 50 states licensed in the whole U.S.
Really?
And I'm going to be number 15. I have this on my goal list this year.
Love
but
that.
It takes a long time to get licensed in each state, so it's a lot of money. But my goal is so that I can do the whole nation. But I got 42 out of 50 right now.
Wow.
So I'm working on it. But so yeah, they can call our office, and they can do that. We can do IVs. We have a pelvic floor chair to treat like incontinence and that kind of stuff, which is big, especially women have babies. It tightens the whole pelvic floor.
Yes.
We have an all-women's gym, the basement that we do.
Yes.
And we can do the nutrition. There's a lot of stuff. We have we can do hair restoration. We have the only one in this area actually. It's called Amated, and it's no needles. I used to inject people with all kinds of growth factors.
Wow.
And so now we do that. It's a painless. It uses like acoustic wave pressure, and we put a patented formula down to the hair follicle and helps stimulate the growth. So it does really well. It's not painful. So we can do that.
Wow, I bet that's very helpful for a lot of people.
Yeah,
women and men that have hair loss. I mean, it can cause. So people can be very self-conscious about that. So you're really reaching out and helping a lot of people in our community.
We do a lot of sexual health stuff too.
And you can reach beyond our community
Absolutely.
too by telehealth, or people can come into Ashland.
Yeah.
And come over to Leah Wellness. It's right next door to us.
So. We're neighbors. Yeah.
Yes,
so,
we are.
Yeah. So it's fun.